So for this food guide, we're using fresh meat and this is a dry fish. It looked like fried fish, but no, it's dry from the oven. This is the fried fish. I did everything myself. This is my kumel seed. I always use it. It's very gesund. My black pepper, my white pepper, my curry powder. Guys, I use 3 Maggi cube. I use bouillon. I use my ginger powder. I use 2 garlic. I use 1 pepper, and I blend 1 pepper already. So it was 2 pepper, and I use 2 large onions. I've already blended other onions. So I'm just going to season this food, and you're going to see in the rest of the video how I did everything. So please keep watching. Okay, let's get into it.